This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now let's take a look at the gold market, guys. Well, it's really difficult to comment this market currently, since you can see the price action. It's very difficult to say something definite when the market stands flat, especially in such tight range. And you can see, in fact, market still holds inside of the price action that was on the previous Friday. So some kind of the highway pattern and decision pattern, and in fact market holds here with the 5 consecutive trading sessions right till the end of the previous Friday on the past week. So but from the another point of view, that when the market stands in such tight range, it tells us that it's building an energy, and that is the period of the contraction of the market. Usually it leads to the breakout, and this breakout usually fast in one or other direction. And if we will take a look a bit more extended in time, the breakout to the downside probably will be stronger, because right at the upper border of this consolidation stands weekly confidence resistance. If you have read our weekly analysis, you probably should know it. It stands around 1503 area. That is also the weekly pivot resistance one that coming on the next week. And take a look. That's the daily overbought. It stands around 15 even on Monday. That's why if even market will show some splash up, it will hardly pass through this area just at the one moment. It will be a really significant barrier to continue to move higher very fast. Conversely, to the downward action could be much easier, because here we have only the weekly pivot point, and in fact the nearest fib support and weekly pivot support one stands only around 1420. But this is not the major point what levels are surrounded this current consolidation. The more significant is the price action inside of it. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we'll see a couple of interesting moments. First of all, you could see that in fact market has a lot of moments where it could use some data or some action to continue move down, but it hasn't happened. For instance, if we'll take a look at the plunge down on Friday, that was, as we said in our research on Friday, that if non-farm payroll data will be a bit better than expected, it will be a negative moment for the gold market. We will put the gold prices under pressure. That has happened. But take a look, market hasn't continued move down and hasn't shown the downward breakout of this consolidation. Instead of that, market just shows some small bounce down after the wash and rinse of these previous highs, and that has happened 3 times already. Every time when the market shows some plunge down, by the gradual action, market reestablished the parity and erased the previous plunge down. That makes me think that some hidden bullish power stand in the gold market currently, and I think this power should be sufficient for last splash up. Also, we have here the stop grabber pattern. That is the 4-hour stop grabber that assumes at minimum the taking out of these highs. That could really happen, and this could lead market in fact to the weekly confidence resistance, weekly pivot resistance 1, and the completing point of that ABCD pattern. Because if market won't go down, probably we should expect some upward action, even it will be short and fast in terms of time. Unfortunately, although we expect the downward reversal based on the weekly pattern that we trying to trade, and on the daily time frame we expect the retracement to the 1380 area approximately, unfortunately currently we still do not have any triggering pattern. And from that standpoint, this splash up could give us this pattern. That could be, for instance, some butterfly here, or that could be the head and shoulders reversal pattern. Maybe it could be something else. This action could get us possibility to entry if this will be really fast move up, failure here, and returns right down. Returning back in the consolidation itself will be the bearish pattern, because failure breakout and returns right back will be rather bearish sign, and in this case we could count on some downward action. But currently I still think that some splash up is possible. On the hourly time frame we just could see how it could happen. First of all, it could be some sort of the butterfly sale or ABC action to the upside. I do not want to say that it has to happen, but that is just the scenarios that could be completed if this will happen. Also, don't forget about the stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame. If market will show the breakout to the upside, we also could estimate the classical target. If we will measure the range of this consolidation counted to the upside, it will give us an area around 1510 approximately. Well, but what to do if market will fail with the stop grab and take out of these lows, continue move down? That is also possible. Well, in general, I think that we could start to think and speak about the bearish development and starting of the retracement to the downside only based on the breakout of these lows, because in this case that could be some kind of the double top on the hourly time frame. Okay, if we contract this chart, we'll see that it's a bit flat double top pattern, or at least we could treat it as the downward breakout of potential bullish pattern that looks like the flag on the daily time frame. Take a look, that's some kind of the flag. Well, anyway, if market will take it out of these lows and hold below them, it's probably we could start to think about the downward action, because the breakout of this low will be the signal itself. It will be probably we could treat it as the pattern itself, so we'll see the downward breakout of the sideways consolidation. Well, as you can see, it's not much information on the gold market currently. You see the chop and sloppy price action. It's just a bit boring, but sometimes market falls in such kind of conditions, especially after the significant moves that has happened previously, and we have this case. As you can see, the plunge in the beginning of the April. That's why investors just to reassess the overall situation, what is going on currently, and what to expect on the gold prices. Well, that's typical for some kind of the silent period after the furious action. Well, so let's take a look and watch for current development. If stop grabber will hold on the 4-hour time frame, let's be focused on the potential move to the weekly confidence resistance area 1503, 1505, and I think that market still has more chances to show this upward splash. Or if stop grabber will fail, then we should wait probably for taking out of these lows when this potential pattern will be triggered, and in this case we probably will change drastically our view on the market and will be focused on the downward action to the 618 support on daily time frame. It's around 1383, 1385 area.